Puducherry SP Robotics community. And I made a identity card security system. So in this project, when a person gets into a room, he should keep his fingerprints in both the sensors. So the servo will open and he can get it. So this will be high security for our Indian government. So if we use in every houses, we can be safety without any keys. Let me tell how it works. So when a person gets into a room, he should keep the fingerprints in the two sensors. So the door will automatically open. Now I am going to show the working of my project. I have used a line array sensor, servo motor, photon sheet, starter sheet and a battery. Thank you guys for watching my video and like my video. Happy Republic Day!